Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the JavaScript tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial, I will explain how to get the HTML elements, used HTML elements in a web page using a JavaScript. So let's start the tutorial. And here we got the final output of our application. Notice here how to get the HTML element tag names. These are the tag names we have used in our web page.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
For this video tutorial, I am using Visual Studio Code. First, let's open one new text file and I am selecting the language is HTML. After that, I am saving this file. Save, and I am saving this on my desktop JavaScript-tutorials folder. The file name is getHTML elements and type is the HTML, the extension is the HTML. Save. Now let's write the code. The basic HTML tags I'm adding, which contains HTML, header section, and after the header section I'm adding the body element. Now inside the body element I'm adding the center tag. In the center tag I'm adding h1, how to get the HTML elements tag names using JavaScript. After that I am adding horizontal line. Now after the horizontal line I am adding div element. Now in this div element I want to get the results of these HTML element names. So for that I am using the JavaScript. In the header section I am adding the script tag, type is equals to text / JavaScript. Then let's close the script tag. Now here I am declaring one HTML element, which is a variable here for document dot get element by id, get element by not id, by tag name. Between double quotes I am adding asterisk. Then I am using for loop. In this for loop I am adding I is equals to 0. 0 is the starting element, HTML element I will get. From HTML element it will read all the tag names. If you add 2 here, it will count from the script. It will omit 0 is HTML and head. So I want to display all the HTML elements. I is equals to 0. Then I is less than HTML element, this object. I want to get the length I plus plus. That's it. Then here I want to display the HTML tag names in this div, so I'm adding id is equals to, let's give some result here, id. Then here result dot inner HTML is equals to, notice here before is equals to I'm adding plus here because I want to get all the HTML elements. If you add only is equals to, it will get script tag only. If you add plus means all the elements which we have used are present in this web page is equals to HTML this variable here 0 I, not 0, it's I. I'm adding the I dot tag name. That's it. And what I'll do is I'm adding here between double quotes square brackets and here plus between double quotes square brackets. We require here plus here. That's it. Now let's check the final output of our application. First save this file, save, run, start debugging. And here we got the output. It's not displaying. Let's start this one. The reason we are not getting the output, it's in the header section. So let's put this inside the body or after the body tag. Now let's save this file. We'll check the final output. Go to run, start debugging. And here we got the final output of our application. Notice here how to get the HTML element tag names. These are the tag names we have used in our web page. Suppose if I add, if I remove here, notice here I have one horizontal line. If I remove horizontal line here, then save this file, switch over to our web browser. Now in our HTML page we have removed the horizontal line, which is this one. Now when I reload the page, see here the HR tag has been removed. It's not displaying. We have not used it in our web page. That's it. In this video tutorial I have explained how to get the HTML element tag names using JavaScript. These are the elements we have used. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.